There's a Stroker 18 playing 17 hertz. And minus 10 on the receiver. So you can hear a little bit of ticking noise. That's typical with very low frequency. But right up here on the surround, when I press it, it's simulating what I hear during some scenes in movies. But if I press somewhere else, it doesn't do it. It's only up in this area. There's 23 hertz. Sub's barely moving, but it's moving a lot of air.